it's Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and I'm just here to share my January Stampin' Selections kit with you. I wasn't going to do a YouTube promotion on the kit this month. I was just sharing it with my kit group because quite a lot of people do subscribe to this kit now, and I've got paper shares and goodness knows what, so I thought if I'll be a bit quiet you know, then I might not have as much work. But some of the ladies want to see exactly what's in the kit, which is fair enough. So it is based on the Gingham Gala suite, which is absolutely stunning, and you can add to your kit, you can add the Stamp and Punch bundle, okay, if you so desire. But the actual kit is based on the suite with some extras. I'm doing a PDF downloadable tutorial which will be emailed to you directly with I think it's 6 projects that I generally do. So the first thing that you're going to get, I've got the box of goodies at the side of me. If I just share with you the beautiful Gingham Gala paper, it's absolutely stunning. It's all the lovely pastel shades, and it's small squares on one side and then the larger squares on the other. It's just beautiful. Absolutely every single colour is lovely and soft and pretty and just totally awesome for spring. Okay, so you're going to get a full half pack of that, okay, and then you're going to get, I think it's 2 each of these, which is the cardstock which coordinates. If you see here, we have Balmy Blue, Grapefruit Grove and Highland Heather, so you're going to get some of that, okay. I'm also going to be cutting up some of the thick Whisper White card into 3x3 notelets. I'm going to do all the work for you. I think I'm going to do all the work for you. I'll cut it up into 3x3, and then you're going to get some of the 3x3 envelopes. Now this is for one of the projects that's going to be on the sheet, and so you're going to get some mini pizza boxes. We're going to make some 3x3 note cards that go in here using the suite. Okay, so that will be part of that will be one of the projects on the PDF. So you're getting those. You're also going to get some of the iridescent sequins because I just think the colours go absolutely stunning together. You're also going to get some of the new Gingham Gala self-adhesive sequins. These are for making, I'm going to do a bit of a shaker card or something, I'm not quite sure yet. And then these coordinate with the suite, and these stick directly onto your card, so you've got no trouble. I've also put in 2 lots of this lovely burlap ribbon. We've got the new white flax one, and then we've got the burlap ribbon, which is from the annual catalogue. So you're getting 2 lots of ribbon. I think there's 13 items altogether. Can't remember. Can't remember off the top of my head. What else is in my goodie box? We're also going to have some doilies. Okay, so you've got a full half pack of the Gingham Gala DSP. You've got the self-adhesive sequins. You've got, there was something else, I'm sure I had another item. Ah yes, I nearly forgot. These are the little buttons. Now these are out of the Needle Nook suite, but I just thought these would be adorable to decorate our cards with, and they're just tiny little buttons. How cute are those? So you just stick them on with a little glue dot or something. So we've got those as well. I knew there was another item. So we've got the embellishments, we've got the ribbon, we've got the DSP, we've got the card for making the mini cards, we've got the pizza boxes for our project, and we've got the coordinating cardstock. And that is this month's kit. I will just announce here as well, as I will over on my blog later today, that I am changing the rewards for those who purchase 6 in a row. Up to press, those people who have purchased 6 kits in a row without a break in between have received a bonus kit. Now with my workload, I'm going to be honest with you, it's a bit of a stretch to be doing all of the monthly kits and then creating the bonus kits as well. You know, and I like to get them out on time. I don't like to get behind, and I'm pushing it now, to be honest. So what I'm going to do is I have my customer reward vouchers. I'll just run and get them. these are my customer reward vouchers, and everything about my customer reward vouchers, there is a page on my blog dedicated to it, and basically you collect them up and then you redeem them. So what I'm going to do is, instead of the bonus kit when somebody has bought 6 kits in a row, instead of doing that, I'm going to put in some of the rewards so that they can redeem these with me for product out of the Stampin' Up catalogue, okay? And you're going to get 3. No, you're not going to get 3, because I'm thinking they're worth £5 each, but that is my team rewards. These are different. So you're going to get 20 of these. I'll probably print, rather than give you like 20, I'll probably print out a special reward voucher for you to redeem, and that will be the equivalent of 20 of these. So then you can go on over to my blog and you can see what 20 vouchers will get you. I'm also putting these in with every kit every month as well to save them up. So if you're a kit customer, you're going to get one of these every month to save up. If you purchase from Stampin' Up with me, you're going to get one of these every month for you to save up. And if you buy 6 kits in a row, you're going to get extra ones. Okay, so that is what I'm going to do. So I think it will be better for customers, because then they can redeem them. There's different levels. I think the first level is an adhesive pack, and thereafter I think you can redeem stamp sets to a certain value, etc, etc. It's all over on my blog. So that is how I'm going to play it from this month on, okay? There's not enough hours in the day. So sometimes you just have to reassess what you're doing and make it a little bit more time sensitive. Otherwise, you know, it would start taking me longer to get kits out, and I don't want that. So to be more efficient, we're changing to that system. So that's this month's kit. The cut-off deadline is very strictly the 14th of the month, because if I leave it any later than that, you're going to get your kits into the next month, and we don't want that. We want them quickly, don't we? So that is the absolute deadline, is the 14th. So if you'd like to purchase one of my kits, you can pay monthly, or you can pay 6 months in advance. You can pay by PayPal, or you can pay by bank transfer. The choice is yours. Contact me at amandachalder08@gmail.com. All of my kits come beautifully presented. They're packaged beautifully, and I use elements within the suite to decorate the packaging as well. So it is really, really nice. It's not just products put in a box and sent to you. It's presented really prettily. So it's like a gift to yourself. So if you want one, let me know. You can contact me on Facebook, or as I say, you can email me. All of my links are in the description box below. And that's it for now, and I will see you again soon.